Theft while traveling is something that does happen. But it doesn't mean you have to be a victim if you are prepared. Theft has become a common crime in recent years as more people store their personal information online. When you're traveling, the chances of this happening increase significantly. According to Experian, a global information services company, more than 21 million Americans were victims of identity theft in 2022, a 19% increase from the previous year. Almost one-third of those fraudulent transactions were carried out while customers were traveling. 87% of Americans are concerned about the security of their personal information while it is stored or transmitted online. However, it appears that they have not taken the necessary precautions. Experian recently did a survey in which they talked to 1,000 people in the United States. The results were not surprising. The internet has made it much easier for cybercriminals to get personal information. Your information, once it's out there on the internet, it's out there. The following are 8 tips to keep you safe while on vacation and away from home. 1. Use the hotel or Airbnb safe. Theft in hotels is quite common. Some common guest items that the hotel staff can steal are money, credit cards, jewelry, clothes, and electronic gadgets. Lock your stuff up, or at least hide it. If there is no safe, try hiding things in the mattress or under furniture. 2. Avoid using free Wi-Fi in public places. Using public Wi-Fi, according to the survey, makes it much easier for criminals to gain access to the information stored on their mobile device or laptop. Despite this, only half of the travelers avoid using public Wi-Fi when on a trip. The majority of hotels provide Wi-Fi, but you should really think twice about using it. Even Wi-Fi at a train station, museum, or even a bistro in Paris is a risk. People will ask, okay, so if I shouldn't use public Wi-Fi, how can I check my transactions, such as my bank statement or credit card statement? You should consider purchasing a portable router to create your own personal Wi-Fi hotspot. I will put a link in the description of the one that I've used in the past. But if you can't purchase in advance, go get a local SIM data card, which can be purchased at an airport kiosk or an electronics store in the area. 3. Wear a money belt. Rick Steves turned me on to this 30 years ago. I thought it seemed a little odd. Now, I don't leave home without it. More secure than a travel wallet, a money belt, a small, zippered fabric pouch on an elastic strap that fastens around your waist, is your key to peace of mind. I never travel without one. It's where I put anything I don't want to lose. Always carry your passport with you. Wear it completely hidden from sight, tucked in like a shirt tail, over your undies, under your pants or skirt. They make them for women to wear under your bra even. You can wear the pouch over your stomach for ease of access, but if you find it more comfortable, slide it around to the small of your back. 4. Use passcodes to secure mobile devices and install tracking software. If you use Apple Wallet or bank apps, sensitive information, such as email access and possibly credit card information, is stored on your phone. Only 57% of respondents to the Experian survey said they password protected their smartphones. I thought this number seemed low, but apparently it is true. This allows thieves easy access to the information stored on those devices. According to the Experian study's recommendations, you should not only enter a password to open your device, but you should also make it a strong, one-of-a-kind password that you change on a regular basis. Enable location tracking and install data erasing software on your mobile device, so that if you lose or have your phone stolen, you can find it and delete the information on it. 5. Do not post the meeting location or agenda on social media. According to the study, only 34% of respondents will refrain from sharing images or status updates online while traveling, and only 17% will disable geotagging on photos. Potential thieves will be able to keep track of your location if you share your plans or whereabouts on social media, making it easier for them to plan when they will commit a crime. You should wait until you return home before posting about your trip. I realize that it is exciting to post a status update saying, "Look, I'm traveling internationally," but save it for when you return home. 6. Bring only what you absolutely need and leave the rest at home. According to the report, if you are traveling outside of the country, you should only bring a passport and never bring your social security card or birth certificate. Additionally, rather than bringing all of your credit and debit cards, choose to carry only a few of them. I always email a copy of my documents to myself. This accomplishes several things: easy retrieval, if you lose anything, and peace of mind if anything is stolen. 7. Monitor your credit cards and their reports. Most respondents, 63%, thought that monitoring financial accounts such as bank and credit card accounts, as well as credit reports, was helpful in detecting suspicious activity. However, if you want to catch a thief, you must monitor your accounts and be on the lookout yourself. You don't have to be paranoid about all of the money you spend, just be aware. People who believe it is difficult to monitor their accounts at home will find it even more difficult when they are away from home. 8. Take precautions to protect your property while you are away. Before you leave, make sure your mail delivery is canceled. When your mailbox is full, it's like having a huge neon sign on your house that says, "No one is home." Cancel mail delivery using the Postal Service's internet system. It's easy and takes 2 minutes of your time. In this manner, no one will be able to grab and open pieces of mail, particularly financial documents such as bills or tax statements. To continue your travel adventures, click here. Now it's time to hear from you. Have you had anything stolen while traveling or away from home? Leave a comment below on what happened and what you could have done to prevent it. Please like and subscribe and smash the notification bell to be notified when we have new videos. Thanks for watching.